G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast. In this video we're going to have a look at the fantastic model here by Solido and American Diorama. Limited edition Rwb Porsche and Akira Nakai figure in 1/18 scale. That's him sitting in his chair. And there's the Nardo Grey Porsche. Very nice model. So yeah, it's a collaboration with American Diorama and Solido. It's a new release. Let's have a look under the box there, some information that you can pause and read. So apparently there's more of these coming. There is also a Nissan GTR R35 as well with a figure. Alrighty, now let's get this out. Box. Alright, there we go. So it's just in the plastic protective thing there. That just obviously just sits in there. The sticky tape just come off, but if it gets loose, it's not going to go anywhere, so that's fine. Let's have a look at this figure first. So I seem to have collected a few Rwb Porsches now. Seem to be some sort of I don't know, a little bit of a fan, I guess. Some people do not like him. That figure is absolutely fantastic. They done a great job on it. Great job. The chair. So apparently he always has to have a comfy chair to sit in whenever he's building one of his cars. Yeah. Some people don't like him just due to the fact of how he does his body kits and how he hacks into the Porsche, but I guess each to their own. If you've paid him to come and do your car, well, that's how he's going to do it. But that is fantastic there. So, I guess the way he does do it is a bit rough, but that's his brand, Rough World. So he's, he doesn't hide the fact that he's going to cut your car up, put flares on and things, and screw it in. But yeah, he's definitely in demand with what he does. If you don't like his work, or you don't pay for it, you don't get him to work on your car. There's a lot of Porsche purists out there that are very unhappy with what he does. But I guarantee that they're not getting him to work on the car, so what does it really matter? People that enjoy it are going to pay for it. Look, I think the end product, I think they look very good. I do like the look. Big wheels, big flares, things like that. I do like it. I do sort of like Porsches anyway. Okay, we'll get rid of that. So they do give you little pick there to open up open up the doors. Now I'm pretty sure the doors are probably the only thing that opens on this. Alright, we'll get that bit of this little strap off. It holds the doors closed. It's nice. Yeah, just got a little bit of oily residue there from that tape on there. That colour is fantastic. For some reason I hated this colour when I first seen it years ago. I'm not sure who brought it out first. It was like Audi or something like that. Could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. If you know, correct me, whoever brought the Nardo Grey out first. But now, I think it looks pretty good. That with the black. Yeah, two colours that go together pretty good. Very nice. So, I'll get the door open. Oh, come on. Oh. Some of them are a little difficult. They like to spring closed again. A quick look in there. I'll go back to it in a second. Open and close. Very good though. Alright. So we'll start at the front, as I normally do. Yeah, and again, this is... Yeah, I'm loving it. I love the way they've highlighted the rivets or screws. Probably would have been screws that they've used along the front there. We've got some air ducts here in the front and park light indicator type things. They're clear, but like a tinted clear. On the side, we've got KW and Brembo in here. You can see that. Headlights look great. We've got the Porsche emblem on the front. Now the, well, not the bonnet, the, what do you call it? Front, I guess you could say. Doesn't open, so it's just the doors. Two windscreen wipers. Windscreen looks good. The rough welt up the top there. On the side, have our wheels and tyres, which look very good. We've got our idlers there. We do have brake discs and calipers there on the inside. So the caliper stays still while the disc turns. We do have steering. It is a little sort of tight in there. It does rub. I don't think... I know the other ones haven't rolled that well. Yeah, this is sort of the... It does... I think it's just this one here. This front left is not... Where are we? Yeah, the front left is getting caught up there. But again, we don't play with them. They sit on a shelf mainly, and that's it. So it doesn't matter if it rolls or not. Well, to me, it doesn't really care. I used to be pretty fussy about that, but now I really don't care. It's the same reasons why I get resin models now. I'm not too fussed. If nothing opens, I think they still look very good. Again, so we can see our big flares here and body kit. And, yeah. Very nice. Same thing on the back, but I'm noticing on the... Okay. Alright, so I noticed on the back that the rear brake discs, you can see there, they don't turn with the wheel. So that's... I'm assuming the others are probably the same. So that's a bummer. Not that it really matters, but, you know, look, they've done the front, so why can't you do the back? Improve your game there, Solido, please. Alright, so we'll get this driver's door open. It does open a fair way like that, but it does spring close back to that point. Okay. So you can see inside there we've got full instruments there. All the pedals. So there's a manual. And then your footrest and everything, all in aluminium there. We do have harnesses. They are just sort of tampered onto the seat, but it is there. We do have racing seats. Roll cage in the rear of the car. The door panels should be pretty bare, which they are. It's just got a door handle and that's it. The steering wheel does turn with the front wheels, not much as normal. And we do have, well, we don't really have any back seats in there, but... And then on the back there we have the rough welt griff. And again, the engine bay there, the boot does not open, which I'm okay with. We have the big tail light at the back here. We do have Porsche in this middle section here, if you can see. You may be able to see it. Me looking through the camera here, I can't see it, but it does say Porsche across there. And we have our RWB number plate. I don't know 100% what that would be, whether that might be Japan, I'm assuming. Could be wrong. Correct me if I am. We have our wings at the back here and exhaust pipes there, or tail pipes. We do have demister on the rear window, which looks pretty good. On the passenger side here, we've got another sticker there. I can't quite read what it is. Again, wheels and tyres look great. All the screws holding the flare kit on. That looks, yeah, I like that detail there. I like it. They've done well. And passenger side, we can see the aluminium plate there to rest your feet on. We have a fire extinguisher down here, and again the harnesses on the seat. Got a manual shifter, handbrake, and on here, can't see, where's my magnifying glass? Over here, let me see, what is that? It's just got rough, well, can't quite see it. Someone with good eyes will be able to see what's written down here. That's not me. I can read the rough welt, but underneath it I can't read. But that looks fantastic. That is great. Perfect for the diorama, things like that, or if you're a collector of the Rwb Porsches, which for some reason I seem to be a collector of RWB Porsches now. I think this is my fourth one. So yeah, this here, I think this is great. They've done a great job of that. Really did. So yeah, even just for dioramas, that in itself I think is great. Done a really good job. Yeah. Real good job. Alright, I'll get that on the turntable. Alright, we'll let that spin around slowly. Our batteries must be going flat in my turntable. It's spinning pretty slow. But either way, I'll give you longer to look at it. It's yeah, very happy about that. I do have, I will have at the time of recording this video, 2 of these available on either eBay or my Facebook page, which is Wayne's Diecast Car Sales. They'll be linked in the video description. So, depending on when this video gets uploaded, they may be available, they may not. But just go and check it out. There might be some other things. I think I've got another Porsche on there, another pink Rwb Porsche on there in 1/18 scale, whether that's still there as well. Things are coming and going pretty quick, so yeah, jump on it and have a look. But I think this is a great addition. You know, even just a Porsche fan themselves that may not like the way that he does stuff. But I think this is just a diorama display piece. I think it looks pretty good. Colour, the grey, the black. I think it's great. So, yeah. Alright. So like, comment, subscribe. Check out the Facebook and eBay pages for the listing for this. And we'll see you all on the next video. Alright, bye for now.